according to Ghana Soccernet, and some local media no air reported, Sir Coach Carlos QUEIROZ and 24% or 12 Jumadian so na amomano extension and report no kokase I'm say I'm expect say yebema 2-year contract extension. Now the target is to win the AFCON 2027. So and then sign that extension now. The target I the Carlos QUEIROZ or contract in ebeye say all AFCON unko winning AFCON and fama a Ghana. Now somebody can yebeko World Cup no ye catch them say Carlos QUEIROZ no I did you no man so on fan kobo World Cup no na ye wia na afin komo bi ho bia no ye di yebo World Cup ni man nyama sa se ekoi di man no. Se Mobakaya Sports Minister Nhyira Adams in some way to Dayen bi na the story behind the story sa report na ebani na no ye fam na abeda from rem na omonso emedin komo no bi emfama we Sports Minister ebra na Ghana enema ekoyi ama World Cup na se no yenti di okafa Carlos QUEIROZ.
If you listen to the fans, you listen to Ghanaians on whose behalf we run affairs, they are very happy with the coach. They are calling, for the first time I'm hearing a lot of people who didn't have any hope in the team saying maintain the coach. But it's a subject matter that we'll thoroughly discuss when we get back home after clinching this trophy that we are all yearning towards. As for the coach, I had every confidence in him that he will do something. When I met him, when I engaged with him, and we had our conversation, and after that he addressed the media and said, yes, he's been coaching for over 40 years, and he's bringing all his 40 years experience to reflect in the Black Stars play. But never has he embarked.
Okay. Minister Emsa Nasama no person working na and it says Abra na World Cup no gusua na Ghana yemfim no. Minister so no kasa personally na unya course messages and na omo kasa one na ban any FND na at a point are convinced of papa e friend Carlos QUEIROZ Juma na obo edema aye Ghana ti se mutie na asem na ose aye nsama ni nyina na nyame adom no mbedru fia Oma betena se na oma dwendwen ho no ma hwe so oma di dwumadi ne be ma papa na ato aso a omo ahwe na omo adwendwen ho now this is the story behind the story ni nie Carlos QUEIROZ de nukure umpa ne se aban no sports ministry no na esi aban na nam awo ho no omo benya papa no ento adwumadi ne so emfama Ghana the Ghana Football Association so ebenya Carlos QUEIROZ enye dwumadie no na onto so no mo adwuma no emfama aye Ghana babesi ne omuntimi enka nkyere papa ne se ana omuni ni nhia 1-on-1 enka omutiri mupo no mfa nkyere no but the intention is there se openi no ni dwumadie a okobo man World Cup no omususu se omufu so openi so omudi dwumadie ne mana obetumi abo adwuma no ediaman so the sports ministry and the GFN in no are convinced with a Jumana opening Kobomai or World Cup. Entino Omudo Mubenya Ombeto opening so na also aye coach no Ediama aye Ghana. But as to say Carlos QUEIROZ never Jiatum na what boy Jumana Diama Ghana no and aka because from Mimin Komobia Medine and they say Carlos QUEIROZ demands are or yeah before I call World Cup no. Probably after the World Cup ebekotro. So what I say, so I feel no opening ne kwatrase. No mo de san yamani na dia to no mo ti ono to demand. Na fe yenim say the pay master no e aban so hwe confess him. No I say okay opening in demands no. O man ye hwe confess ma ye osika ye betimi dem meeting demands no. Ye de dwumade ne dia ma na. So the intention is there. Say opening there. On be so mo de dwumade no e de ma no to aso. But ebesi there omuntimi eno opening no entena se 1-on-1 which probably there will be a meeting amene betena se na omodin komo no ma hwese opening no abajujumadi no aye ana se ontimi enya nti se otisa report na ekoso na to some extent the 2-year contract there yenya no because omone papa no kra no enya entenase. But the intention is that yebema no atwa so da wabo dwuma no ade ama eye Ghana. Kofi, ben sha sem for QUEIROZ grace.
Which part do you want?
With the intention of the sports ministry and the GFA say look openino. Say they no call worker, but the coach work up no. I just say he's a good coach. As your man extension, obetumi aboard my dear man from who perspective. Unsa papa na dwuma dia o kodi o work up ni ade and the Ghana kasa ye pe no. Or the right man.
Say o Eddie QUEIROZ in Komona so Dino like how I've done since the name QUEIROZ came up. And Medin Komono on two parts.
Okay.
The experience QUEIROZ will beat Mama results. But the same QUEIROZ on mobile effort, he will not give you expansive, nice football on your attacking players. QUEIROZ any the track record of culture or they a lot of youth beba with team in him. Say Osha Obi to say Utuado Abrano ye coach no or the players be bree ebai calibrating jersey say who know most of these boys he brought them in. QUEIROZ is not that guy. QUEIROZ a focus on results. And me medica say immediately sports ministry who boom no. It means that adia ye pe in terms of your sports from the government posture and from the and usually the government posture sort of directs the government posture when it comes to the national team. Because I'm not ready. The GFA is just taking charge of the national team as to what the general vision of the government through the Ministry of Sports. Inti see per results with the Ghana Black Stars it is result oriented. And that is why I am not too shocked. Obiana Obi I would say our story we shocked no. Abiana, you didn't understand the posture of the government of Ghana with respect to the Black Stars. Abia, you didn't understand the posture of the sports minister with respect to the Black Stars. Abia, you didn't understand the Intia. Now, President Mahama Nkasa Esoma, Minister Kofi Adams said, Uncle Hamburg, no uncle instigated the sack of Otuado. It was simple. Government be a worriasi. Rich, they run on public opinion. It's very important. Your PR machine is supposed to be very important. Every government reacts to that.
Sure.
In fact, even when it comes to even the rule of law, there are a lot of things that government reacts to what the people of on the ground say that they want or they don't want. It's just when the people of Ghana had made it clear, say Otuado born or born yempe, or no one born in your phone, so resource the president of the land knew that the next thing to do is to get that man out, bringing somebody that could give us results. And QUEIROZ by now about 5 official matches.
Five from World.
Yeah. About 5 official matches. Was one pet. I'm sorry to use pay, but then in the list of it a pay. Was one pet. What draw mienu and what lose mienu. That is a track record of QUEIROZ. That one draw and one win was enough to qualify us out of a group. Before we're going to the World Cup, we're saying, you say, okay, a better than see about qualify from. I can say, okay, Otuado Crown on TV for qualify for our group name. So, based on the fact that he was able to meet that KPI that was set for him, get us out of the group, it is enough for the GFA and then the sports ministry. And I'm saying, led by the sports ministry, to say that, okay, then Papano, you're keeping it for the long term. If that is if you are defining long term as 2 years, you're keeping it for so long term. But in all of that, you ought to understand that it comes down to what the government wants, which is winning. If Black Stars in Breton when Jenny winning, that's a born in Yefa. They're born a long term a day for them. But in the interim, it's about see a bit near boy matches nyashe. In September, Rich, yeah, boy AFCON qualifies. Ubekaya, the last AFCON boy Ghana and Kobe. It is going to be a big indictment on any sports minister and on this country. See, you have 2 AFCONs that Ghana have not showed up. In fact, it's when I make catch when the reason why this government is bent and the sports minister is bent on keeping a Papa and friend QUEIROZ is simple. Omu mpese ye beda sorry ni ati asemi say yeah calculation. One show yen qualify AFCON. One show need me go AFCON. They don't want that.
Okay.
So watch the president Mahama Teniano. Baby I con baby aka. We are left to somewhere about 2.5 years or so to go. We will be done with AFCON qualifiers and we will go and play in AFCON in Kenya, Tanzania, and what have you. In the next AFCON, he is going to be president then. He would love us to be there at AFCON, well represented as Ghana for. And he doesn't want to see a baby AFCON every year. Na Ghana for no, ye baby Ghana and AFCON event was under President Mahama's legacy term. No. So that if that is the case, in starting AFCON in September, Yenya coach with team in England ball 0-0 during prevented England from scoring us. Share against the Panamanians. No, let us take him at least per his track record. He has shown that he has enough, even if all my boy for Crampona, but to take us to the next AFCON. Then when we get to the AFCON, there is going to be another assessment to change the KPI for him and say that at the World Cup, when it comes to at the World Cup, you have free win a round of 32, but at AFCON, our level is way beyond the round of 32. It is beyond the round of 16. Take us to the semi-final and final, and then let us go and win. That is the first leg. Rich, the longer term is the second leg and the most important one. But Mamini can't you me in the short term. I will agree with the government and then the GFA. Many on my dream because of one pros. Ghana near bread with the indiscipline and what I call the intangibles our camp. Carlos Queiroz Iban, Uti Asma Minister Kana, he spoke about the intangibles. Coach Otimitra press conference, now Wakasa. Not the way a Ghana and Sem for you, very, very difficult to deal with. No? He's able to speak, not Ajibrawaba. Coach, he's able to explain his plan, his thoughts, with a calmness of the. In fact, he has brought out a post to say thank you to the fans. There were people that were in the various stadia, America, Carlos Queiroz will do a lap to say thank you to them. Those are the little intangibles. Players ever camp in term, the discipline in camp, then the continuity, and until we want to go with him. But Rich, in the long term, we need to look beyond Carlos Queiroz. Okay. In the long term, we need to make sure, say, at the end of the day, your coach, he will bring the best out of your attacking, because Rich, me can't say we have to. When we start playing AFCON qualifiers, you share teams on your defensive or your bebre.
Low block for.
Yes, it will be difficult to break them down. Unless Carlos Queiroz is an insano. Especially when we can hear Babaya Rana Sakra. Let's start your shop. No, say one guy's a boshemia. We may face difficulties. Okay. But that is the journey we've chosen to go on per AFCON. You go through on the end. So, coach, you're nice football, I'm Mr. Carlos Queiroz.
Yeah, that's Jude Brian. Ghana Uska. Because now it's clear.
Yes.
Both sports ministry, you know, which is probably on a representing Albino. Any FA now, no, na so for your national team, no. I'm intentionally clear. Let's keep Carlos Queiroz. But me no name said the demand before the World Cup.
Yes.
Any after the World Cup, no. Exactly. Yes. You ever Minister can say Papa no sikani around be 100,000, right?
Yes.
Auntie. But them fans say I call be 150 bia.
Now we equate to the CDA.
What me dem me
as no say
100,000 no. That be if you have a count. You was kind of me meet Papa demand.
Rich, a good question. Me answer.
Okay.
Me answer no kakra bi na memra the substantive.
No problem.
So, Rich, say any brainy person developing in game media, we should be able to pay. Say Ghana would say offer coach na bet you $150,000. No bema the expected results. Or be develop your game. And the game na could do a certain pedestal. Footballing economy no na my brain. But what you say? Say me brain pa na one aspect e betimi e discover pa. Rich na say so World Cup na e coin no. Who business ana man for ye. And Rich, and me can see a year's observatory report on football. Africa how na we Nigeria, Ghana any nation na export talent pa. But what I say, export talent a business kese. Yemi adwene na nkoso keke. Se de adwene koto ne yesi ebe ni ya. Rich yet me bobo ka bi go. Ana World Cup ya koi. Ana ya koi. Reson himself aban no. bi anya pe me de me kakra me minim ni say bi aban nkrofo bebre no omum sanka visa ni issues e be ba ya ekire no finally aban say omfo obi angwa rich and nke the supporters ekoi pa say state no the supporters ekoya a per head the cry rich me patron nke be boka be say ya quite a lot of afcons ya kwa ka ya bono yetimi boka bi ase bi na ebi mpo asuni mfaso me na ate ase nti ade nti na yentu ye bo say yo sika bi on ma niam bi anka hu hie de a say sika na ye de develop ye de develop in game patro so anya me point no enti yo sika ye ni abrese e be dia yo sika betimi aye about priority but ye hu ne say anya ye topmost priority dia niam e betimi de develop your mind because look ye can Ghana as a nation no ye be bi see ahun say eniam a ehu hia ye pa no as a nation no so football account patro tie say I'll see a ma young for potable water. I'll see a timmy infrastructure. Yenya akwan papa. Wrong. You better sign your money now. Schools here, hospitals, crown. Rich me no any problems. Drew baby and I used to go by so. So you have sign your money now. No, na say. One for what you know, football as a sport. Now one your critical thinking. I'm sure opportunities are football. They be brewa. Rich, I do not be can say. As soon infrastructure be boss aka but also what me say nemum wotimi analyze this sport no the benefit the opportunities say the betimi aboa improve your daily lives then you get to understand and appreciate which me assure say ya World Cup here we dey you benya mani amasa education no as to how we betimi so football as a sport as aboa dey develop o mind no na economy no e be better no rich me patrol da sports minister yes, I interview we know. Saturday no also who say Carlos Cruz begia to munku adia papa no when you juma dada and I'm a boy. Dear minister can't answer because look, minister ne represent abain, represent abain interest. To the moment I was a minister, Emma those nice words about the coach.
I was a Ghana for na e come here yeni age. Papa ne juma na o ye dia man no.
Say Ghana for na nye Ghana for nyina but the point is that all kasa no should tell you say or feel so more gauge the mood of Ghanaians. Almost share bibia because look, there be make say open nipa baako am mpanyiri baako. All advantages bebre. Bi munia. Rich, there's only one man panyina where communications minister that you. In fact, sorry, our communications expert. Yeah, Papa John Dramani Mahama. Enti ono no. Obetimi agage o my mood. Enti sometimes say bia ye man panyi me take decision. Be better say a popular decision. But baby o free bano, you have to understand and appreciate. But what I say, for instance World Cup he save the yakani nyina no. Okay, say Ghana for ya sha ahokyere wo man mu. Ene World Cup no mo te say me the supporters tu kwan. Na me hye e kai wom. Na Ghana for te sa aka na. Eno so the assembly ba. Patro who enti except e bia visa issues ayakan. Ye papa hwe sa na ma nyina.
Does it enko the corporate no ho.
Exactly.
Ni enko suncho mo so Ghana e pese de nipa no tu kwan ko World Cup bibi.
Our president is a smart man.
Momo en kakra. Na yemfo mo emfanko this time yenko o man confess mu bi. And the individuals na sika no me bebo ene de am for the call.
We yi ne ho afrim.
Sure.
We yi sa pressure no afrim no so. Say enya Ghana sika enya state ni sika. Say corporate sika de ani bibia.
Sure.
And our corporate sika nso o bibi.
There
be any say
obi na yi ni sika.
It mean say Unilever Casa or sponsor supporters o bibi kan. No ni bibia kan. Nti our president is a smart man metenase. But Richard de ani say abayani agi coach ho. Efe nso ani je ho. Richard ma de Carlos Cruz is a very fortunate man. Do you know why? In recent times, I can tell you as a matter of fact. Say, Rich, we've hired some coaches. And the other coaches being so a dear. And for me, I'm fan of buying Sujana fan. So, you're away. Rich, ABC, I can see up here. Time now. FAA said that the level of person can own to me more. So, guys are buying the dry. In fact, any coach is being paid more money. A Bimokrano sponsor political party. Patron me moi. And so no. A drew wa by the person protected ni die wom. Cause coaches no buffer talking you know mo ya. Rich. A certain coach Chris Hilton. Aban that mum panyimfo bi influence. E ma Chris Hilton e by which me assure say.
F so ani nye ho.
Na F so ani nje ho. French be say voila. So enti eba be tension be issue kese between the FA and the states. na a problem da ho even CK akono time na president who na call e free haban so na eba say yem fa adwuma ma CK mebo and to rich who say for quite some time now as a coach is I form mpono between the FA and aban kran tension wo ho ye anya adwene. So this is one coach ya fa coach we no aban ni FA ni nyina ate omo ho ase. And just like yade otuado bai no aban ni FA ni nyina no no mo te omo ho ase obebo a at a point ye ne papa awa man pani dada ye papa nanado danko akufuado ofa phone e frɛ coach no otuado e ka kire ne say jockey lo say ya kidnap him
so be do e be twa
yes ya qualify the World Cup no enti no rich na in a way na eboa otuado say na state ne pe no e na FA ne nso e pe no but otu echo World Cup na eniema mfa no yet say per the contract na otuado assign no ye gine free Dortmund for ne ho no. The agreement was that or the Equacobo World Cup no or the able we are beba between the Jumedi so with Dortmund and Okoi. Read Carlos Queiroz the ya fan for the World Cup. You share the pedigree, you have the profile, and you cover papa me who so yes or the discipline paper. But beyond discipline, no or best I elevate and game with the address certain standards. It is true. Papa ni by when going who looking at the fact that at a point we're even bereft of materials. Jikumu nyina ankobi Starboy Mohammed Kudus omu nyina ankobi rich but papa ni adwuma at an appreciable level na mo bisa me juda me no krani me no obi anya je obi obeka se yemfa adwuma na ma Carlos Queiroz na Carlos Queiroz emfa nkonkoje AFCON emra se eno ne de ma no ne contractor me no obi anya adwene rich me premise is simple Carlos Queiroz first of all wadaroma for no mu profile for the record onye coach at national team level exactly and only the perfect
he comes in fix the problem for
you.
I
like the word he's a quick fixer na adwuma oyen rich beyond say obe fixing your mama kakra ye eniema ye di ama no e de discipline beba team no ontimi fa onji bibia that is the reality. So if you go in for AFCON 2027 fortunately for us yet TV ho me no na enya kwan hwe World Cup bi bro she Ivory Coast ball or boy or the free meboa patcho so Morocco ball or ball Senegal Kevin mo ball or ball bro AFCON na nso kra na ya ba be kɔ so Nigeria sa World Cup na wan go bi on any brain never
look at the South African team
what must say yes bad to trust you me say Ghana e kwa 2027 AFCON nyamie no krani me who sa papa betimi asad no say dia no the be target dia
okay
and your papa no e bia I'm sorry
right
ye hu niam yi yes
Mate Jude ya da se pa na me Samuel Dwumakuo bi ewo aye Kumasi a ope mo amonim ade pampa because on pam niema company no on pam niema emema niema to be precise na epo bi apam ade to ana ehome me pa cha wo yo obi sa na opo company kese enoma ye adwuma mema number ne sisi a wonso a opeso usua no monso akonya da okra de mo amusua no ya ma alawa obetimi edi atwitwitwa ho me pa cho company ameka wasemi awo Arantec ya police station wo and a company no ewo entimpa cho oye professional tailor onim ade pampa de a titiru mema niama no me pa cho friend number is ya na onu omo eni komo salary ne nso eye kama pa 0549 5284 02 0549 5284 02 Nefres